Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting new AI tool that promises to create marketing videos with just one click. Yes, you heard it right, just with just one click. It's called Jogg AI. And we are testing this one out whether it can really deliver on its one-click video promise. Jogg AI is an AI driving tool designed to simplify creation, especially for businesses looking to promote products. Okay, so the idea is pretty simple. You input an URL, all right, and for the product, and click a button, all right, and then Jogg AI generates an polished video for you. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, that's what we are here to find out. Okay, so if Jogg AI lives up to its promise, it could save small businesses a ton of time and money. So let's jump right in and test it out. Now, before we do that, however, let's talk about the AppSumo deal. Okay, it's a lifetime deal, as we all know about the AppSumo. Okay, and which is a game changer, I think it is right now. Jogg AI is available at 3 different tiers on AppSumo. Here is what each tier offers. Okay, so for $79, you got 1 minute videos, right, and 3 instant avatars, and also like 30 credits per month. For license 2, for $199, you've got 100 credits per month, 5 instant avatars per month, and up to 5 minutes video length. Okay, license 3, tier 3, okay, unlimited credit per month, 10 instant avatars per month, up to 50 minutes video length. Okay, 1 credit equals 1 video. And as you can see, for $4.99 you got unlimited. You can use it over and over again without paying anything monthly. Okay, so that's the beauty of lifetime deal. Okay, so this lifetime deal could be a great investment. I think it is for brands or content creators who need a quick video solution without paying monthly fees. Okay, I think that's the beauty of it. Okay, and if you are in, I will have a link down below to the AppSumo page so you can check it out yourself and you find out if that's something you might be interested in. Okay, so let's put Jogg AI to the test. Okay, so I just logged in using my email address. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, and I use the random Amazon product URL. This time I just choose the gaming headset. Why gaming headset? I just want to see how Jogg AI handles physical products and practical items. Okay, basically. So we got a product now. Okay, and now we can go ahead and put the URL in this place and start analyzing. Okay, but before we do that, okay, I might go and pick one of the templates which are already available here. You can see all those templates. You can definitely use it for your own purposes. You know, it depends what type of business you are and what type of products or services you want to sell to your customers. Okay, all those templates are ready for you guys to go ahead and use it, and you can also start from scratch. Okay, and now let's talk about the avatars. Okay, so Jogg AI has a built-in avatars, but here's where it gets interesting. If you want a unique personal touch, you can create your own avatar by uploading a video of yourself. This feature is useful if you want to keep it a consistent brand image across all the videos. Okay, so there you go. That's about the avatars. If you want to go ahead and check them out, no worries at all. You can go ahead and just click create video, and that video will be based on this particular avatar. Okay, so I think that's quite amazing. Projects, pretty straightforward. If you have already some sort of products already here, they will be shown there. Again, templates, we're gonna be using one of those templates in this particular video. Okay, so let's go and click this one first.
After intense workouts, my muscles were sore and stiff, limiting my recovery. Scrolling online, I discovered the Arbolief massage gun, a game changer. The high-torque, brushless motor's quiet operation immediately caught my attention. Now my muscle recovery is faster, and soreness is a thing of the past.
You see, this is type of videos you can expect from this tool, and I think this video is quite cool when it comes to explaining what this product is about. You know, giving some sort of insight from the person who is using it. Okay, in the first like a you know the real user. Okay, and that's the thing which is usually appealing to to your customers. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this particular template here. All right, so let's go and I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so if we want to do this one, okay, we can go ahead and start making some adjustments, all right, here and there. Okay, it's everything. It's like an editing tool.
After intense workouts, my muscles were
I want to go and apply to my product. Okay, so now where I put my link here, I'm gonna do analyze. Okay, we're gonna go and go choose the media. Okay, really, it's pulling out all the data from this Amazon page. For example, I'm just using Amazon as an example, but you can use the Shopify store or any other tools, places where you can pull out the data of your product. Okay, so let's say that I want to use those images here to use and create my advertisement. Okay, product description is already there, product name it's there, like for example target audience will be, for in my particular occasion, will be a gamers. Okay, you can add your own media if you want to do so. There you go. Let's go and click next, and now the tool is analyzing that for us. Okay, we can choose the AI, choose the favorite script, like a light marketing, top 3 reason, story time, discovery. Hey, let's go top 3 reason, go render. Now it's gonna cost us 1 credit. Okay, like I told you guys, 1 credit equals to 1 video. Right, so let's go and submit it and see what's happened. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, about 5 minutes. I will come back once it's ready. No, it didn't take 5 minutes, about 1 minute, and it was ready. So let's go and listen to it.
Dave yelled, "Cover me!" But his cat unplugged the controller. Chaos erupted. Dave's team lost, all thanks to Mr. Whiskers. Frustrated, Dave realized he needed a new gaming strategy. Enter the Bengu G9000, saving gamers from...
There you go. That's what you can expect from this tool. Okay, obviously it's not perfect, but if you want to go, and you can obviously click edit and you just go to the editing process, you put your own script. If you don't like that script, you can go ahead and change it, everything there. Okay, so I think that's the tool is amazing because give you so much of the advantage. You don't have to put that everything together by yourselves. This tool will deal with it. Obviously you just need to do edits here and there, but I think in general that's a great tool to use. Okay, and then so I think you definitely will be enjoying that if you go and try it for those free credits. Okay, and if you are happy with it, I remind you there is a AppSumo deal, which I'll be leaving link below too. And thank you very much for watching.